Good morning, y'all. So, syempre, may training pa rin. It's Wednesday. Ang oras na training. 7:01. Ang oras ng training namin today is 7:30. Medyo, siya, nag-adjust yung, nag-adjust yung time kasi malapit na yung, tournament. Jeremy! Jeremy! Morning! Every morning face lah. Guys, gym training done. Baba na naman kami sa 8th floor. So guys, samahan nyo muna ako mag-secure ng BTS concert para kay Mami at kay Mama Dang. Punta ako ngayon sa Naos kasi napag-utusan ako. Hindi na ako magre-reklamo, binigyan naman ako ng money. So guys, update. I can secure a ticket. Ito pa rin yung status niya until now. Anong oras na oh?
No, my ride is 5 days.
We have AYT pa later, so I'm gonna go home na. Ayoko na. Hindi ko na ito isi-secure. Wala na itong pag-asa. Ang daming army sa mundo. Talo ako dito. Bye-bye. See you later. So guys, Barden Bellas. Anduin na kami sa campus, guys. Antayin nyo na ang pitch perfect. Nagpa-practice pa. Magpa-perform ka dati.
Tol! Nandiyan sila.
Ay, ayaw mag-focus.
Ayos na pala! Ayos na!
Once again, we request the teams and the individual awardees to please head to the...
To start off, teams and individual awardees, a big round of applause. And may I welcome the finals MVP and one of the...
Goes down, we look around. Our first tournament here at Big Games, actually at LaSalle, weekly finals game 3. I would be so focused and locked in on that game. For the games, when I was so locked in and always thinking,
Dito!
I just had to let you know you're